England skipper Jos Buttler has a great record in T20 World Cup cricket but has been under par in this tournament. He has just scored 91 runs in 4 innings with no 50 yet. Buttler white ball cricket के एक महान खिलाड़ी हैं. क्या बटलर बारबाडोस के विकेट पे जो कि बैटिंग के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है उस पे यूएसए के खिलाफ एक बड़ा स्कोर मारेंगे? For more insights, please continue to watch our video. England and USA will clash in match 49 of the 2024 T20 World Cup in Barbados on Sunday. इंग्लैंड की बैटिंग तो ताबड़तोड़ है बट उनकी बॉलिंग ने कुछ ज़्यादा प्रभाव नहीं डाला है और USA की बैटिंग उनको अटैक कर सकती है. The historic Kensington Oval in Bridgetown, Barbados, has hosted 6 matches in this tournament with the team setting a target coming out victorious on 3 occasions. Chasing team यहाँ पे केवल एक मैच जीती है जबकि एक मैच टाई हुआ था और एक बारिश के कारण रद्द कर दिया गया था. The captain winning the toss has opted to bat first and chase both on 3 occasions. यहाँ average score batting first in the tournament is 162 for 8. The pitch in Barbados will assist the Pacers as it has historically. पर यहाँ पे अच्छा बाउंस है और बॉल बैट पे आती है तो काफ़ी रन भी बन सकते हैं. The highest score at the venue in this tournament is Australia's 201 against England. While the mean temperature in Barbados on Sunday will be 28 degrees, there is a 50% chance of showers. The strength of both the teams lie in their batting units. Both teams are unlikely to make any changes. USA and England have never faced each other in a T20I. Harry Brook showed glimpses of his batting prowess against Namibia and has a strike rate of close to 170 against pace in T20I cricket. Jofra Archer's ability to extract extra bounce of good length makes Archer a very awkward customer to face, especially in the power play. उनका economy rate भी अच्छा है in T20Is. Aaron Jones will be the batter to watch out for in the USA. He slammed a brilliant unbeaten 94 of just 40 deliveries against Canada in his team's opening fixture in the tournament in Dallas. Jones USA के second highest scorer हैं in this World Cup. Former New Zealand all-rounder Corey Anderson will be the other dangerous player in the USA 11. Anderson is a veteran in the format with 661 runs in 32 T20Is at a strike rate of 129.6. Anderson ने अभी तक प्रतियोगिता में कुछ खास नहीं किया है. Aaron Jones has a stunning record against spin in the tournament. उन्होंने स्पिनर्स के खिलाफ 245 के स्ट्राइक रेट से रन मारे हैं with just 1 dismissal. इसमें 9 sixes शामिल हैं. Andreas Goose is the leading run getter for USA in the tournament. वो पेस बॉलर्स के विरुद्ध बहुत बढ़िया खेले हैं. जॉनी बेयरस्टो स्पिन के विरुद्ध बहुत धुआंधार बैटिंग करते हैं जो कि उनके आंकड़ों से पता चलता है. Jos Buttler will be the hot pick for England. He is rated as amongst the finest white ball batters in history और इनका बढ़िया रिकॉर्ड भी है T20 World Cups में. Liam Livingstone खराब फॉर्म में थे in the 2024 IPL and is the avoid pick for England. Livingstone ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया और नमीबिया के साथ भी कुछ खास नहीं किया इस प्रतियोगिता में. Aaron Jones will be the danger man in the middle order and the hot pick for USA. He is an explosive batter who showcased his prowess against Canada in the opening fixture in Dallas. Shaheen Jahangir is the avoid player for USA. He has played just 3 T20Is in his career. England will start overwhelming favourites in Barbados. They have the might in batting to annihilate the USA. However, England की bowling इतनी strong नहीं है और यहाँ पे USA का chance होगा. Butler is expected to score a big one while USA के लिए Aaron Jones से उम्मीदें होंगी. England have an 80% chance of victory. Joss Butler will be a good choice as captain, while Aaron Jones will be a fine option for vice captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the USA versus England encounter. We have 8 players from England and 3 from the USA. Butler and Jacks will be devastating in the power play, while Brook and Bairstow will control the middle overs. Mark Wood and Netravalkar will bowl with the new ball, जबकि Moeen Ali and Rashid middle overs में गेंदबाजी करेंगे. Our backup players are Ben Duckett as batter, Jofra Archer as bowler, and Harmeet as an all-rounder.